Come on. Tag me, Skylar. Come here. Come on. Why are you slapping over there? Oh, hello everyone. Welcome to the Brinz fam. And for today's video, we're going to be showing you our rain day routine. So before I start the video, make sure to give us a like, comment, and subscribe. Let's start the video. Tag! You keep on talking! Gosh, I wish you were like already a kid, not a toddler, so I have someone to play with, and they know it's game or not. You're just a toddler. I hate you. Bruh, don't say that. Okay, I'm gonna tag you. Uh-oh! One! Where are you hiding? I'm coming. I can't see you. Tag! Oh! Wait a minute. It started raining. Look, it's raining. Come on, Skylar, come out. Let's play in the rain. Oh, will we? Rain. Ha 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 ha. And since you got distracted by the rain, then I'm gonna like run for you to tag me. Okay, bye. I'm gonna wait for you. Sure you do. I'm gonna stand up. Swippy. Come on, just stand up, Skylar. Okay. I'm gonna kiss you. Uh-oh. Ah. I'm hot. Bruh, just stand up. Let me help you. Tag. Tag. I'm just joking. How dare you joke with me? I'm gonna catch you. Let you know, I'm a runner, so I move faster than you because you're just a toddler. Just wait and see. I'm gonna get you. I got you, Mrs. Sunny. Christine, I got you, Mrs. Sunny here. Wait a minute. Is it raining? No, the kids might be playing in the rain right now. Oh, Christine, you stay right here. I'm gonna go get the kids. Oh no! Kids, get back in the house right now. Mom, what are you doing here? Come on, Yanni, get inside the room. I mean the house right now. And you, Skylar, come to mommy. We need to get home right quickly. But, no. Come on, Skylar. Let me down. Stop it, Skylar. Come on, Yanni. Let's go. I'm sorry, but we're enjoying the rain. I'm sorry, Yanni, but I don't want you to catch a cold, okay? Now let's go and take a warm shower upstairs. Fine. Okay, kids, let's go upstairs and take a warm bath, okay? Yes, Mom. Okay, let's put here, and now let's wash your whole body. Okay, I'm done. I'm just gonna return this. Okay, now let's use this one. Okay, now let's pour some water on you. Okay, let me wash myself. Okay, now the shampoo. Okay, done. Okay, so I'm done taking a bath. I'll just wear my clothes, my pajamas. Okay, and my pants. Done. I'll just have to remove my hair and comb them and hair dry them. Okay, let me comb my hair. I'll hair dry my hair. Okay. Mom, I'm here. Strange. Someone just knocked on the door. It might be Dad. Come on, let's go and check. Okay. Aw, hi Dad. Hi there, sweetie. And hi there, Christine. Yay, you're finally here. Come on, let's go inside the house. Okay, since it's raining and we're currently not in our house, let's make some soup. I'll make some soup for you all. Thanks, Mom. I will help you, honey. Let's go. Okay. Okay, kids. Here are your soup. Oh my gosh, yay, thanks, Mom. And here's your soup. This is mine. Let's sit down and relax. Yay! This soup is yummy. Mom, can you also make something to drink for us? Of course. I'll go get some right now. Thank you, Mom. Oh no, Skylar, what happened to you? That's what I'm saying. I don't want you to stay for the rain for too long. We're gonna catch a cold. I understand, Mom. Oh no, Skylar. I'm fine. Shoot. It's okay, Skylar. You can just drink your tea or cups. Hey everyone, that's it for today. Make sure to give us a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!